Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Freepik AI image generator. This is really simple and useful. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your Freepik homepage, you will just have to look for image generator, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that, and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to enter a text prompt describing the image that you want. So you just gotta be very detailed for better results. So for example, let's say I my image is let's say I want an image of a banana and fruit bowl. So yeah, what you will have to do is once you're satisfied with your description or prompt, you will just have to click generate for it to be generated. So as an image, so you will just have to wait for it to load. It may take a while if you're not using the premium version. So yeah. Uh, so basically, once it's generated, you will just have to select the styles or the themes or the dimensions so that you will be able to actually match your project. And then yeah, after you've generated it, you will just have to review the generated results and use variations if needed. And once you're satisfied with your image, you will just have to uh, download it. And yeah, that's basically just do how you can use Freepik AI image generator. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an amazing day.